HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes web page structure. HTML consists of a series of elements. And elements tell the browser how to display the content. Elements are represented by tags. Let's create one simple HTML page. I am using Notepad++ editor to write code. Go to Language and select HTML. The doctype tag declaration defines this document to be HTML5. Add opening and closing HTML tags. Inside HTML tag add head tag. And inside head tag add title tag. And inside title tag you can write title which will be displayed on browser tab. Then inside HTML tag add body tag. Whatever you add inside body tag will be displayed on browser. Save the file. Extension of file should be .html. Go to File location and open File in browser. See title here which we have added into title tag. And body text here which we have added into body tag. In our next video we will learn more about HTML elements.